This is a program for constructor called time. First, we'll be creating a class called time, and that will be declaring the hour, minutes, and seconds. In public, we'll be putting the time. First, we'll be initializing it to a particular value for hours 4, minutes 32, and seconds 53. And in the second time, we'll be uh, getting it from the user using int A, int B, C. Hours will be for A, for minutes it will be B, for seconds it will be C, and in void display will be displaying the hour, minutes and seconds in the format. Now we'll be adding both the time. This is the time 1, this is time 2, and add time T, this is time 1, TT is time 2. Now for hours, TT plus T, minutes also again TT plus T, seconds also TT plus T, which will be adding the both the hours, both the minutes, and both the seconds. And while the condition will while loop will be applied, while seconds is greater than 60, seconds will be equal to seconds minus 60, and minutes will be equal to minutes plus 1. And while minutes is greater than 60, again same minutes will be equal to minutes minus 60, since minutes are in 6 for, and hours is equal to hours plus 1. And while the hours is greater than 12, then hours will be hours minus 12, the hours will be equal to hours plus 1. Now in mm, int main will be having ABC. The minutes or hours, minutes and seconds format is shown here, and it will be the ABC will be entered, the time T1 and T2 will be added, and time will be displayed. Now we shall run the program. Now we shall enter certain values like 2, we'll enter the hours, 2 again, 2 and 2, which will give us the time as 7 hours 29 and 41 seconds. Since we are adding 2 hours, the already defined time will be having 4 hours, so 4 plus 2 will be 6. Then accordingly the minutes and the seconds will also be added, which will increase 1 more hour, so it will be 7 hours 29 and 41 seconds. This is a program for constructor distance. This will be creating a class of distance 1, and will be declaring float values of feet, meters and inches. In public, the distance 1 feet, distance 1 will be having a fixed feet value, an inch value, where feet will be 4 and inches will be 11. Mm. Again, in that value will be in the second distance, will be entering the float values of A and B, which is will be entering the values of feet and inches, and in display will be displaying the value feet and inches, and in add value will add the distance 1 and distance 2. Distance 1 that is fixed, and distance 2 that will be given by the user. F feet equal plus I feet, F inches plus I inches for inches. And in the condition will be while inches is greater than equal to 12, inches will be equal to inches minus 12, and feet will be equal to feet plus 1. Int main float eng for feet and inches. Now here the values will be entered by the user eng. Now distance will be calculated in the format of feet and inches with the help of eng. The feet and inch will be added with the add function and will be displayed with the display function. Now we shall see the output. We'll enter the value of feet and inches. We'll enter 2 and 2 inch and 2 feet and 2 inch. Now the feet is 7 and the inches is 1. This is happening because of feet, which is already 4, plus 2 will give you 6, and 12 inches is like 1 feet. So while we add 2 more inches to the 11 inches, already 11 inches, it will be giving us 1 extra feet and 1 inch. So the inches will be 1, and that 1 feet extra feet will be going to the feet which was already 6 feet, 4 plus 2 6 feet, and 1 feet from the inches, which will make it 7. So 7 feet and 1 inch is the final output.